Students in the auto body repair program learn all aspects of collision repair and auto body repair, from repairing damaged vehicle, estimating, refinishing.
You get here and you learn, and it's applicable learning. You're not learning to pass a test, you're learning to understand. All around you, there's 2 lifts over there. We got plenty of different cars that we work on. We work on them every day. We come to class, we're taking off wheels, using the lifts.
It's more hands-on than a classroom. We do more activities, not that much paperwork. It's more of right here, right now.
This program is essentially the application of math and science knowledge that you've used in the past. For instance, viscosity, about relative humidity when we're doing painting with waterborne paint. So applying those scientific principles.
The very basic core math really gets strength into your, the kind of math that really helps you progress in a job environment. The parts of the program here that really excite me is painting and bodywork. I really like the aesthetic of cars. It's a creativity outlet for me.
To learn more about our application process and programs, visit Burlington Technical Center today at btc.bsdvt.org.